In this video, I'm going to show you how to place an image into a post in the forums area. And so the first thing you want to do though is you need to save your image within our classroom or your workspace. So in the home page, I want you to locate my workspace and click on my workspace. And then inside of my workspace, I want you to locate the resources tab and on the link. So go ahead and just click on resources. And the next thing that you're going to need to do is create a folder for you to store your images within the My Workspace page. So now I already have one here. You see it is called Images, but what you would do is that you would come right next to where it says My Workspace, click the Add button, and go down to where it says Create Folders. Click Create Folders. And then you want to name your folder something that's going to be descriptive so that you know exactly what it would store there when you go to My Workspace. Because this My Workspace will go with you from class to class. You'll always have it in your homepage. So, you know, you might want to call it photos or pictures. Image. I had called mine images, but you might want to call yours pictures. So I'm going to go ahead and call that pictures. And then create the folder. So now we're creating our pictures folder, and it should show up as workspace menu. So let's see. So you see now we have a picture folder for us to store our pictures under My Workspace. Okay, now we're going to upload your picture. So your picture hopefully will be stored in your computer. So right next to your folder called Pictures, go ahead and click Add, and we're going to upload a file. So you want to click Upload a File, and you want to browse your computer for the file that you need. So you browse the computer right here. Okay, and then I'm going to take a picture. Oh, let's see. This is a good one. This one's a picture for Pi Day. Okay. And then I'm going to upload my file. And you want to make sure that the access is public for your photo. So if it isn't, then what I want you to do is click under Actions and go to Edit Details. And then scroll down and make sure that it says that you check this file is publicly viewable. And then make sure you click on Update. And now you see that the access is public. So you've uploaded your image correctly. Now you want to go back to your class and go to the forums. So I'm going to click back on, we're getting out of My Workspace and going into the class. And once in the class, go to the forum. And we're going to find our intro forum. Let's see. Click on the intro forum. And then you're going to start a new conversation so that you can post your introduction. Of course, I recommend you read all the instructions, so there's definitely several steps that you have to do in order to get all the points for this introduction. But okay, so let's assume that you have already created your welcome your introduction, and you are now ready to add your photo. So you want to make sure that your cursor is placed where you want the the image to show up, the picture to show up. So you want to make sure you go there first. Then you're going to come over here to the image icon and click it, and you'll get this message box that comes up, and you want to click on Browser Server, and you should come up with something that looks like this as resource type, just like that. And you're going to look, and so on the left resource type it says image, and so on the left you're going to see a list of folders, and you should see your My Workspace. So you want to click on My Workspace, and then in the right hand side you'll look for the folder that has your picture in it. So click on Pictures on the right hand side, and then that will drill down here and will show you a list of any pictures that you have stored in that folder. So you're going to select the picture you want, and for us, of course, we only have the one picture right now, so you go ahead and click on that. And when you get to this back to this page, make sure you type in on alternative text, because it's not going to let you input it until you do. So then you're going to click OK. And by the way, you can change the height and the width here if you wanted. My picture was fairly small, but if you had a pretty big picture that you downloaded in, then you're going to want to change that size. Okay. All right. And so then click OK. And there's your picture, and it should show up just like that. And you can actually click on the picture itself and resize it. So if you need a little bit smaller, a little bit bigger, you can do that. And you can hit enter and keep on typing if you want to type some more. And this should be a help to you. All right. Then I'm going to click post, and my picture will be in there.